Hello everybody, welcome back again. Next installment. Now, I raided the kitchen again. This time I went further than just the drawers and I found a whole bunch of other stuff. Pots. Pots are close to my heart. I started drumming on pots. When I was small I'd be stealing them from granny all the time. She'd be running around the garden trying to pick up her pots. I'd be trying to hide them so I had something to play with. So, again, same rules apply. Try and get stuff that's going to make sounds that you like, hopefully. Now, be very careful, don't use anything sharp or don't use anything breakable. However, I'm going to just show you maybe one or two things that do work nicely. Okay, now, these glass bowls just have a beautiful sound. So, I'm going to use these guys. If you listen, really lovely. But I don't hit them very hard, I just hit them very lightly. So those guys are going to win. They're going to be our foundation that we're going to use. Okay, go to the oven, hold out this thing. Okay. The rack makes a lovely sound, really good. You can use that. Pots. Pots are wonderful. They make a beautiful sound. And then there's the handles. Really nice. So we're going to use some pots in there. Okay? And I found this ball with an elastic band. I'm going to use all those guys. And I have one little instrument here I'm going to use. Beautiful little copper pen. And we'll have our trusty salad spoon again. So, once again, I'm going to combine all of these guys, put them together and do a bit of sound. Now the idea is that you're going to get maybe your brother, your sister, your granny, your aunt, your dog, your fridge, your washing machine. Anything that can play rhythm, give them an instrument to play with and build up something really nice. Remember, don't hit them too hard and have a bit of fun. Please send in your videos to us. So here we go. Pots and pans. Thank you. And remember, make it funky.